Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Not Becca, Kate and I'm POK here, and today we're doing a completely different video. I almost said like part 5 of my How to Solder series. We are all done with the How to Solder series. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was an absolute blast. It was great. I had a bunch of fun. Anyway, we're doing something completely different, completely new, and absolutely super amazing. So I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys are excited about it, and let's roll that awesome intro video. Alright guys, I have a story for you, and just like all of my other stories, this one is about Yoda Camp. Well, actually, we'll keep that, even though technically it's about a whole lot of other things, but you gotta have a tagline, right? So, this is what happened, right? I went to a super amazing, super awesome camp for young hams in ham radio. For young people. For YLs and YMs, young ladies and young men in ham radio. Apparently YMs aren't a thing. Guess what? They are now. Yay! I love making up words, like antennalizer. But anyway, went to Yoda Camp. It was amazing. I made a lot of friends. I had a lot of fun. I made antennas and I built kits and all of this great, amazing stuff. And I still have not learned how to master lighting up for a camera. But it's fine. For cast and shadow. Anyway. So when I got back from Yoda Camp, my dad, T.O., KM9G, logo printed here on my hoodie, which I helped make the logo. I actually made 90% of the logo. I sent it to Dad, and he was like, this is amazing. Let's do some few other things to tweak it and make it a little better. And the finished product you can see here, buy T.O. merch at T.O.'s store. I don't have a link for it, so just I'll link to his channel, and then you can go to his channel and go to one of his videos and find the link there. It's a rabbit hole, but it's a good one, because at least you get to watch some T.O. and some Not Becca while you're at it. But anyway, T.O. did a live stream, which I can link down below if I can find it, and in the live stream, I was talking about Yoda Camp and how great it was and how fun it was, and we had other kids from Yoda Camp coming on, and other young people. I can't say youngsters. It was a whole tangent, but anyway. And during that live stream, there was this amazing, like, I told this story, right? And in this story, my sister Leah, you all know her, Astro Leah, link to her channel down below. Link to her channel down below in the description. And they did a drawing at the end of Yoda Camp for a free 705. And Astro Leah, my lucky, amazing sister, got the 705. And her number was one off from my one. So if the random number generator would have gone one more forward, I would have gotten the 705. And I was telling this story, and everyone was like, wow, we should get Becca 705. Like, you know, Becca 705 when all this stuff is going in the chat. So people started super chatting, and people didn't stop super chatting until I had enough money from all of these amazing people that were supporting me and supporting my dad and supporting youth on the air. And now I have a 705 because people are amazing like that. So we're gonna look at it real quick, because this is what people do. This box is bigger than I am. I have an IC-705 because of the amazing people that watch my dad's channel and that saw that live stream and thought that it was worth their money to buy me one. So thank you to all of those amazing people. I can't shout out, there are so many amazing people who helped get me the 705, and in this video today, we're gonna be unboxing it, looking at it, checking it out, getting way too super excited. It's early, most of my family's still asleep. I'm trying not to be really loud. It's difficult. I have something very exciting right here that doesn't even fit in frame with me. Look at how gorgeous she is. Oh, I'm so psyched. I love the 705s when you use them. They're absolutely amazing. But you're about to find that out too. So let's get into it. Wow, that was so chaotic. Alright guys, so I got the IC-705 right here in the box. I haven't even opened this box, and when Dad came over and put it on my desk, I was like, I'm going to do an unboxing on camera. I'm not even going to open it. As much as I would love to have opened this box and arrived on my desk, I was like, no. What we're going to do is we're going to open it on camera so you guys can see what comes in the box and all of that fun, amazing, cool stuff. And also, came with this, which is a little stand for the IC-705, and you screw it onto the bottom, and then it's at a tilt. Yeah, it's great. So we'll look at that in a second, but first we need to open the box, and I'm sorry the camera's shaking just a little bit. So we have this piece of paper, and it says, information. The following features have been changed. The red battery icon is added. The old version looks like that. The new version goes to red, and it blinks, just like the old one. Immediately charge the battery pack when the red battery icon is displayed, otherwise the icon will soon start blinking. Low battery blue displayed, and the transceiver will automatically turn off. Set mode. The optional BP307 is now available. The following settings are added because the discharge characteristics are different between BP307 and BP272. We have menu set function, battery pack select, battery pack confirm, voltage screen, set others information, voltage. Cool. Helpful information. We have a manual. You know what I do with manuals? What everyone else does with manuals? Take it, set it aside, we'll read it if we need it. Because I don't honestly think I need it. I need more light. There we go. I brought more light. What's this? Another manual. This one's in a different language. What language is this? French? Yeah, it's French. I don't speak French. Sorry, guys. Okay. Oh. Cardboard? You shouldn't have. More cardboard? Is that the mic? Oh my god, look at the mic. It's so cute and so tiny. I love this mic. It's so cute. Sorry, I have issues with like little tiny things, but you know, that is to be expected. So we got this adorable little mic. It has these two different plugs, and the reason it has these two different plugs is because it has a speaker in here, so you can listen to what's happening and then talk. Or you can use the internal speaker in the IC-705. Why do I know this? Yoda Camp! We had to test out some of them. The cool ICOM tech guy, he let us borrow them and mess around with them and stuff like that. Okay. Let's look at this. What is this? I don't know. I might need two hands. We're gonna go with one. We'll go with one for now. Okay. We have a cable. It has power poles on one side. I was going to say Anderson power poles, but I don't know if they're Anderson power poles. I'm assuming these are fuses. And on the other side, we have this connector. So this is probably the power cable where you can connect it to like an external power source. That's my theory. Alright, what's this? It's got a ballad or an onion. It's got a toroid. But it's a USB cable. Is this an antenna? Is this a charger? Is it both? I have no clue. This is why I'm totally not going to read the manual. Okay. A bag. Lovely. Cardboard. Also lovely. What's this? Another bag. Even more lovely. More cardboard. Even more cardboard. And there she is. IC-705 herself. Also more cardboard. Look at how small it is. I forgot how small it was. Alright, we'll get back to that in just a second. We have how to take it out of the cardboard. We're gonna need that. We have more bags, and then we have some random stuff at the bottom of the box. So let's put the cardboard back in. Put the French manual in. Oh. This one's in Spanish. I speak some Spanish. Do they have it in English now? I guess not. That's alright. I'll take this and we'll set it off to the side. Sorry, I'm yelling at my nose. Okay. Lift the main dial side and remove the transceiver. Oh my god, wow! This thing is heavy. I forgot how heavy they were. That didn't happen. What is this? It's a warning something. Cool, I'll read that later. That's not interesting. Warranty something. read that later too. Is it that? Cool. Let's look at the main attraction that everybody actually is interested in. Alright, we are in a new, better lit area, and I'm going to look at all of the stuff on the outside of the 705, look at what all of the buttons do, stuff like that. So, we start with the big knob, the main attraction. Yeah, most every radio I've ever seen has a big knob on it, mostly used for changing frequency. You know, nice and easy, you can search and pounce, stuff like that. Now, we have up here, I don't know why I started over here, but we're going to go up here now. We have this power button right there, which it turns it on. You know, it does power things. If we look over here, let's see, Vox is like voice operated transmission, so you hit the button and then when you talk, it keys the mic for you. Our AF, RF, and Squelch does, I don't know, Squelch things. I think that has something to do with noise. I don't know what that one does. We have this lovely ICOM HF, VHF, UHF, all mode transceiver IC-705. Ooh, it has GPS. How fancy. It also has a little bit of dust. That's not bad. Okay. I believe this is does multiple things. We got TX, which is transmit. But normally you would just, you know, key the mic. I wonder if you can do it without the mic and you can just talk into this, but I'm not exactly sure. Scan, exit, quick, M-scope, function, and menu. This is used to go through the multiple menus, I believe. It's not a touchscreen, though I keep touching it. We got auto-tune. Sounds to me like it does auto-tune things. Speech key. Sounds a lot like Vox, but it's probably different. Ooh, sorry. Just hit the camera. Sorry about that. Okay, TXRX. This light comes on when you're transmitting, and then this light comes on when it's charging. Let's look at the bottom. We have these little feet that it sits on, a place to screw in. Right here you can screw in a stand like this one. So you just take it, put it on, screw it on. Okay. Should be able to just screw this on. I'm not exactly sure. Magic. I just screwed it on. Okay. So now, whoo, geez, camera. So now, flip it over, sit it down, and it is at a nice, easy transmitting angle. So you can be sitting here, looking at stuff, turning the knob, talking on the mic, stuff like that. Okay, so that's the bottom of the rig radio. I don't think it's a rig. Is that the wrong direction? Yeah. So let's take this off. And let's look at this side. We have all of our holes, all of our buttons. Buttons? Holes. Holes. Ports. All of the ports. So this DC 13.8 volts power. So that is what this cable was for, as far as I can tell. So you're going to plug it in here like that. Plug it into power poles. We got fuses. We can get 13.8 volts of power. Okay, then we have, let's see, a micro USB port. This says key. Maybe that's like an aux port. Not exactly sure about that one. And then this is where you plug in the mic, I believe. Could be wrong. Let's test out that theory. That is not where you plug in the mic. I'm wrong. This is tuner and then send/ALC. Not exactly sure what those do. Look at the top, it just has this little screw. There are some screws on the bottom too, probably to take it apart. By bottom, I mean this, not this. We're getting to that side in a second. We'll look at this side. We have a ground bolt, so you can put your ground wire around that. This is for the antenna. It's a BNC connector, nice and simple. We have a micro SD card slot, so you can put in your micro SD card and store data like contacts. And then we have this spot, which is for your speaker and your mic. If you look at these poles, this, I don't even know what it's called. This one's smaller than this one is, so this is going to go into the bigger side. It's going to go into the smaller side. And then they labeled speaker/mic, so this one's for the mic, this one's for the speaker that's on the mic, which I mentioned before. Okay. Now, that's all four of those sides. Let's look at the back. which has a battery on it. This battery, you just pull these two little tabs, comes right off. This is a battery that I believe you can put in something like the IC-V86, which we also had at Yoda Camp that we were messing around with. So pop the battery in and then you can charge it without having to take it out. As far as I know, it probably has a charging cable somewhere. That might be this, so I'll test that out. But that is all that I've got for the outside of the radio. So I will be making a video sometime in the future. That's me messing around with it while it's turned on. Right now it's not charged. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. A little bit of an unboxing of the 705, a look at what's in the box and what the radio is from the outside. I will be making a video soon. That's me turning on the radio and looking at all of the features and everything with it on. We can go through all of the menus and whatever. But that is the end for today's video. Look forward to that next 705 video. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make. That little tiny mic, absolutely adorable, a lot of fun to mess around with, even when I'm not actually talking and making contacts. But I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that cool, fun YouTube stuff, and I will see you in the next one.